Can you feel it? I mean, you can tell that classes are about to start. It's going to be an exciting year as we work to keep everybody safe, but also allow people to get together and come and study together and work together and have fun together. It's going to be a fantastic year.
I'm excited. I'm seeing this new staff, new students. I think it's going to be a great year, actually.
It's great. I love it. I'm happy to be back and enjoy a real classroom environment again.
Proud to present the 9/11 flag to Mercy College. A flag of honor, a flag of reflection. It stands for all of us united here today to always remember the sacrifices made that day.
I believe that the path I'm on right now is exactly where I need to be. And just knowing that is one of the greatest feelings in the world.
Now, after 69 years, this property is once again a grand home to us, the illustrious Mercy College alumni.
I want to go to events, I want to go to club meetings, I want to see people in real life and discover that they are real people and not little squares on Zoom.
Concentrate on your fears. What do you fear? You want to be an entrepreneur? Guess what? Visualize it first, feel it second, and jump. Because anything is possible in this country.
Great libraries build communities. Here's to the Michelle S. Lee Library for Lifelong Learning, continuing to build a positive and productive community here at Mercy College.
It was always my dream to come to Manhattan to study here. So just to be here and like see you through the windows that you're actually in New York, that's very nice. It's inspiring.
My best holiday memory is probably my first Christmas in New York when I got to see snow.
Freshman year when I ended up doing Thanksgiving here for the first time in President Hall's house. Mainly because that was a huge shock to believe that I could be inside of a house or mansion like that.
All these students that we're helping now is who I was. And what's amazing to me, and I tell all alums, is we're still the same Mercy.